Hello students, in this tutorial I am going to teach you flash fill. Flash fill actually used for autofill. Let's extract the first name first. Then using Santa, just press Ctrl E to fill all the first name. Then extract the last name, Swami. Then just press Ctrl E to extract all the last name. Then create a email address by creating pattern. Then santas@outlook.com. After that, just press Ctrl E. It will create all email ID in a fraction. Okay, it's just 9,948 entry is there. Okay, so for creating email ID, it takes some time. Okay, other than using Ctrl E, we can also go to the home menu and select the flash fill button to fill all the data. Okay, so you can see it's just fill up. If you press Ctrl Shift End, you can see is 9,884 entries there. After that, you can extract the date like with pattern 1/1/2023. Then it will fill all the date in a fraction. Okay, then you can extract the hour. Use 03:38. It will extract the total hour. Okay, and after that you can also extract the AM or PM. Just write here PM. One pattern, the first pattern, it will extract all the pattern in same way. Okay, hope you understood the basic structure of flash fill. It's easy to fill the complex form in a fraction. Okay.